welcome back, welcome to my empty apartment tour. Yeah, so this video I will show you guys my new apartment here in Nigeria. This is like a minimalist apartment. Yeah, but it's a major upgrade from the previous one, you guys already know. So it's a 2-bedroom apartment, 2-bedroom, 1 toilet and 1 bathroom. Yeah, together. Let me just show you guys. Anyway, so this is my living area. This is my living area, guys. There is no light. This is Nigeria. We have electricity problem. So yes, so there's no light from that, but it's just finished raining. As you guys can see from the beginning of the video, just finished raining, so there's no light. I'm using my phone flash, so bear with me. So this is my living area. You guys can see quite spacious, but not as spacious, as the other one. There's no dining area in this one, but I'm planning to like create a little mini dining area. But anyway, that's just it. So guys, that's it. It has just 1 window and 3 doors. I think this one has a lot of doors. Yeah, the other one have just 1 door and 2 doors. This one has 3 doors. So that leads us to the next section of the house. And this is the first room. Come with me, guys. Do you guys put your slippers outside? So yeah, open the windows. I don't finish cleaning this up, guys. I just finished cleaning this up. Sorry. Just finish stuff. So this is the first room. This room is closer to the parlor, the living area. So yeah, just empty space. Nothing is inside here. So I will figure out how to organize it, and I have my stuffs here. These are the things I used to clean. I put like this for cleaning, so ignore this part. And yeah, I have a fan. So with the fan, the ceiling fan, which I'm yet to clean. Yeah, and this is also the next section of the house, which is this section, which is my room. Yes, also empty space. 2 windows. The other one has 1 window. This comes with 2. This came with 2 windows. Yeah. I have neighbors, but of course there's a difference there. So I won't show you guys outside because I've not finished cleaning up the outside, guys. But it's a private. I don't know if you guys saw my house on 10 vlog. It's a private backyard, so I own this backyard alone. So this is it. 2 windows, and here I have my wardrobe space. This is the main reason why I love this apartment so much. The other doesn't have a wardrobe. I plan on buying a wardrobe for the other room, but this one has a space for wardrobe. All I have to just want to just put the wardrobe door, and also put the wardrobe over that also door. There's enough space to store my clothes. You guys know the previous house. For those that are following me, when I left my other house to that house, I always complained of one thing: wardrobe space. I have my things so scattered and all that, so it's always beside the bag, and I'm not able to bring those things out and wear them. So I want to after that, I always end up wearing good clothes, especially when there's no light. So at least I can have my stuff here, and that is it for this room. So come with me, like before this mess, you just finish cleaning like I told you guys. Hey, it's okay with the fan, like I told you guys. Fan everywhere. Yeah, this is welcome to my kitchen. This kitchen is small, not as big as the other one. It's almost the same size as the other one, but this one has, as you guys can see, tiles here. So it's tiled. Same, not so much. Sockets. I'll do a cabinet and all those things to fix it, and it goes all the way down to this place where I want to be keeping my plates. I'll do a cabinet here for my plates, and that is just basic kitchen. But I love it because of it's tiled, so I can easily wash the towels and clean up the towels, and I know when it's dirty. So these are the things we use for cleaning the house. And Ella, ignore the backyard until you get to clean it up. And this is the toilet. This side still needs work, a lot of work. The mirror is broken, so I have to fix the mirror. All the stuff here is broken. The only thing that is working is just the stuff. The shower also. And yeah, I just finish washing it. Let's see. Yeah. house and all of that. And that is it. I still need to work on this, like this part of the house. So I'm gonna put wallpapers around. I still have put wallpaper, but if I don't put wallpaper, if I keep painting, it keeps pulling off. So I'll just put wallpaper here and here. So guys, that's it. We are back to the living room. This is my space, my new space. Nothing much, nothing fancy. Just I also have a balcony, guys. I have a balcony. I don't show you guys. It's the mess. I don't know if it's okay. Okay. Yeah, that's my balcony. I didn't settle into that apartment. I didn't even do anything. I didn't furnish. I'm just living there, but not really settling in. Like live, like how do I put it? I don't know what to use, but that's it. So I'll make sure this okay. This is in a good location. Although this house, even though it's smaller than the other one, is quite expensive. Like guys, I don't say how much this house cost me, but we are here. It's in a good location here in New State, Nigeria, and here I don't even like my location for security reasons, but it's a good location in New State here, and yeah, it's an environment. You guys can see every noise. No, yeah. So that's it, guys. Not too much. See how to fix the house. I don't think I'll give you guys a tour again when I'm done fixing the house. I don't know. I'm not sure you guys. I'll give you guys a tour. But if you don't get a tour, just if you want a tour when I'm done, let me know. But I'm definitely furnishing this house, but step by step, take it one step at a time. So thank you for joining me on my empty apartment tour. I hope to see you guys next time. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe and join this happy family, and also support your girl. And that's it. See you guys. Bye.